What's going on, guys? Smash the and Thunderman here. Hello, and welcome back to another awesome video. Yes, like always, guys, like every day, welcome back to another stupid video. Wachoo! By the way, guys, did you know in the welding shop, he acts like a Tom and Jerry stupid character when he yells like that? Wachoo! I do not. Anyway, guys, today we are back. I am back in Super Smash Bros. Once again, and this time, here we go. This time, guys, we're gonna have a competition between the Welding Fam Mii Brawlers to see who is the best one and see how long they can survive for during each match. So let's do this thing. So here we go. So let's choose the arena first. Alright, where is it? So, oh, there it is. Perfect. Okay. So, first Mii Brawler is gonna be me, Smash D. And we're gonna start off from the beginning from number 4 level, and then we'll work our way up to see who's the best fighter. So here we go. Actually, we're gonna start off with number 9, so see how long this can survive. No. You know what? We're gonna start off. I'm gonna go with number 5. Yeah, we'll start from number 5 and work our way up. And if we don't have enough room, we'll start over. So who's his opponent? Zero Suit Samus. So let's do this. Oh, get over here. Yeah. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Oh. Sorry, Jack. Smash right stay tank. Oh! That killed us both. Oh, jeez, I almost fell. Yeah. Here, how about mushroom? Hey, you want some of this? Oh, jeez, I'm in the water. Spirit of the water. Smash RC. Hey, what's up, sharks? I'm just kidding. Need to focus. Ugh. Yeah. Oh! Smash right stay smash! That's how SD does it! Yeah. Ow! No, I fell in the... Oh my goodness, I put my foot, I fell in the lava! Oh my goodness. Get in there! Okay, now get the smash ball. Oh, she did. I thought she was gonna fall in the lava. Sorry, this. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh god, I'm gonna die again. Okay, now it's 1-1. She might beat me, you never know. Oh jeez, no, don't. Oh jeez, I almost fell. I do not want her to beat me. Have a bomb. Okay, how did I miss that? Oh yeah. Yes, Smash Red Steve for the win. There we go. Alright, save this battle. Smash Road State did pretty good. Alright. Alright, so let's try. Now we're gonna do the same arena. Why do the same arena for either one? Next up is my buddy Golden Wolf Boy 454, the second member of the Welding family. He's right. Oh, there he is. Alright, no guesses. Who's his opponent gonna be? Smash Run Stays with 0 success. It is Corin. Alright, let's see what she got. Oh, jeez, bro. Man, he's picking up the speed. Hiya, oh, jeez. Ah. Okay. Oh, what? I ran into a bomb? Are you kidding me? Alright, come on, boy. Hey, you want some of this? Oh, get your butt over there. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna add some backup to whoever this is. Hiya. Oh, slow motion coming at you. Oh yeah, Wolf Boys are awesome. Wait, what? Okay, she countered me. What? How did you counter my attacks? Yeah, Golden Wolf Boy's been following Smash Reds D, helping him out as his sidekick in welding episodes and stuff. Alright, let's see. Oh jeez, I almost fell in the lava again. Okay. Okay, looks like it's the reverse. I gotta be careful. No, no, what? I put myself in the lava again? Are you kidding me? This is not how it works. Not one bit. Get over there. Oh no, you're not gonna touch that. Get over it. Oh jeez. Man, okay. This is mine. Yeah, what she said. Try me. Hiya. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. She has the smash ball. Maybe I can knock her out. Get out of here. It's my smash ball. No, 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 no. That is mine. Oh my goodness. Come on. Get the smash ball. There you go. Okay, let's see if I can do it on her. Okay. Apparently I missed. Oh jeez. No, I'm not getting blown up by that bomb. Golden Wolf Boy's doing pretty good. Oh, gee. Wow, really? Take that! Oh. Whoa, oh, jeez, I am going off the bridge. Oh, but I saved myself, man. Oh, yeah. Alright, she has one life left. I think I can do... Oh, that's a life. Oh yeah, we got a street fighter in the house. Oh, but she just sliced me with her stupid sword. Okay. Oh. Take this! And I win. I threw a Pokemon ball at her. Golden Wolf Boy 454 for the win. Victory picture. Save this battle. Oh yeah. We're getting the job done, yo. Okay. Next Welding Fam member. Alright. Our leader, Skull Rider, is gonna have a fight. Alright, where is he? He's right. Come on, where is he? Come on, he's right here somewhere. Come on. Right. Seriously, where is he? Hang on. He's right here somewhere. Wait. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry, guys. I thought I deleted the Mii Brawler, but it's alright. So, anyway. Our leader of the Welding Fam, Skull Rider, is up next to fight. Alright. Who is his opponent going to be? Who's it going to be? Oh, Diddy Kong wants some. Okay. Let's do it. Alright, Skull Rider. Let's see what your Welding Fam skills got. Oh man, okay, dude, he's bringing the fight to Diddy Kong right now. Play some baseball. That's a fly ball right there to you. Oh, okay, okay. Here, don't eat your banana. Oh shit, no! Oh my goodness, I thought I was gonna die. Take this. Oh, okay, you just want to block my moves, son. Get over there. Get over there, Diddy Kong. Yeah, that's what you get. Alright. You know what? It's time to call for backup. Let's get some Pokemon friends in here. Oh, no, never mind. Here, how about this? Oh. Oh, shoot, I am stuck in the fire! Oh. Here, get in that bomb. Get your butt in that bomb. You're just driving me crazy. Oh, no, you don't. That's mine. Oh, no, giant. Get out of here. Need one more, then I get that awesome jet. Should be around here somewhere. Where is it? Come on. I know it's around here. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Oh, yeah, I got him. Skull Rider's bringing the fight right now. Oh. Hey, give me that. That's mine. That's my weapon. Oh. Oh. Oh, no, you don't. That's mine. Oh. Oh. What? Okay. Give me that. Get over there. Oh, dude, I am going over the edge. Oh, yes. Save myself. Alright, can Skull Rider get his Smasher at... Okay, never mind. I was gonna get a Smash Ball attack on him. Need the final one. I know. Oh my goodness, did I grab it or not? Get off of it, you stupid bees! Oh no, you don't. It's mine. No, hey, give me that back! Give it back! Oh, never mind. I killed him. Didn't think that was gonna happen, but Skull Rider won. Skull Rider is the winner. Victory picture, save that. Alright, so we got Gasher Mighty, Galaxy 1 point, Poison Gender Green Fountain. 5 Welding Fam members left to fight. Next up, our next Welding Fam member, one who made the Thor hammer. That is Running Gasher. And he's in here, and he's right here, Running Gasher. No guesses. Who is he going to fight? Oh, the Demon King Ganondorf from Zelda. Okay. Looks like he has a tough challenge. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay, I can't even get a hit on him. Oh my god. My goodness. What the? I can't get one hit on him. Oh, what? Wow. He killed me instantly. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna beat you up, Demon King. You think you're the king of Zelda? I don't think so. You're not gonna rule Hyrule anytime soon when I make Link proud. Oh, get over there. Oh. 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 Oh, man. Dude, he is literally destroying me. Okay, you know what? I had enough. You're going down. Get out of here. Yeah, that's what you get. Get your butt blown up. Ugh. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Oh. Ugh. Oh. Get out of here. Okay, now we're equal. Ugh. Blonk, get him! Oh! Oh, jeez. You know what? You know what? Get in the lava. Yeah, you know what? Get... Oh! Okay. Never mind. Take this. Oh! Ugh. Yeah, how do you like that? Run and dash your speed. Ugh. Get him, my dragon! The welding dragon, how about that? There you go, buddy! Oh. Maybe Running Caster can get the smash ball this time. Oh! Oh, nope, never mind. He died, and now we're equal. Okay, if I don't beat him, then he wins. Oh! Never mind. I beat him again. That surprised me right there. I just threw something at him, and he won. Oh my goodness, that was impressive. That was actually pretty impressive. Alright, picture taken. Oh, let me take one more. There we go. Alright, save that. Alright. Alright, next Welding Fan member. 3 more Welding Fan members to go. Next up is Mighty. And guys, I'm gonna be right back real quick. Alright guys, I'm back. I have something cool after these last 3 Welding Fan members fight. So let's continue. I'll tell you after. So anyway, Mighty is up next. Who is his opponent going to be? It is Princess Daisy from Super Mario. Okay, let's do it. Alright, Mighty, let's see what you got. Ugh. Oh jeez, okay, Daisy, you want some? You want some? Hey, brought Blue Total on? That's not how it works. Ow! What? Okay. You know what? Mighty Gun activate. Hey, get over here. Take this. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, I'm gonna give Mighty an extra point. Ugh. Get out of here. Get out of here, Daisy. Alright, oh, what? How does that count? Oh, the smash ball. Let's get another one. Oh, which one is which? We don't know, guys. We gotta be careful. Let's... Oh! Oh! Okay. Never mind. Apparently that's not the right one. Ugh. Okay, I missed again. That's fine. That's okay. Yeah. Get over here. How am I missing all these shots? There we go. Get out of here. No. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh, I got her. Man, Mighty is on a roll right now. Ugh. Here, take some fire-breathing breath. Dude, why am I... Okay, this is not cool. I'm just missing all these shots right now. It's not even funny. There we go. This ain't funny at all. Alright. Come here, you. Come on, Daisy. Ugh. Really? I just threw that away. I just said, oh, okay, Pokemon, you might want to help me out. Get out of here. Ah. Yeah, you're not winning this round, Daisy. I'm gonna hit you out of here. Get out of here. What? Oh, okay, never mind. Not gonna move back to the end. Oh, what? How did the bat hit me? Oh jeez, I'm going over the edge. Not gonna happen. Get out of here! Mighty kick! Get out of here! Let's go! That's how FC does it! Alright, save that battle. Mighty has won. Alright, 2 welding band members left. It's Galaxy Wolfboy and Green Falcon. Alright, here we go. Oh, and Poison Gem, I forgot. Excuse me. Alright, let's see. Let's see who's next. Alright. So Galaxy Wolfboy and Green Falcon are right there, so Poison Gem is next. He's down here somewhere. Poison Gem. Oh, there he is. Poison Gem. Alright, people, let's do this. Captain Falcon. This is his opponent. Oh, jeez, Poison Gem's winning the fight. My goodness. Get out of here. Take that. Ow! What's the Pokemon attacking me for? Oh yeah, Zero from Mega Man is here. Let's do this, bro. I'm gonna get some more help from Robot. Okay. Oh, get him, Zero. We're teaming up, man. Oh, nice. Not bad. Oh. Get out of here. I have a gun, Captain Falcon. The Welding fam gun. Get over here. Okay, never mind. I wasted all that ammo and he just fell in the wall. And I won. Okay, that was the quickest match ever. That was literally the quickest match ever. But Poison Gem won. Alright. That's a save. Alright, the Welding fam is on a roll right now. Alright, only got 2 Welding fam members left, and then it's time for the biggest main event before this video ends. Alright. Galaxy Wolfboy is next. Golden Wolfboy 454's brother is next. Galaxy Wolf. Who is his opponent going to be? Now we're gonna find out that right now. Oh, Snake. Okay. Let's do this. Between a wolf and a snake. Let's do it. Get over here. Oh, gee. Oh, jeez. Okay, these guys are bringing the fight to each other. Jeez. Get out of here. Whoa, oh! Okay, I just died. Get out of here. Oh, I just blocked you from going up like a parachute, boy. Get over there. Galaxy Wolfboy is on a roll. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, don't. Oh my goodness. I just killed myself again. Get out of here. That's my smash ball. Once in a while. Do not die again. I am really mad if I died again. Okay, there you go. How did I miss that? I'm pretty bad at this sometimes. I'm just kidding. Okay, take this. How did he block that? Alright, you know what? How about bomb? Really? Oh, and the snake hold. You know what? Oh, jeez. No, that is my... Ow, really? No way. I am not going down like that. You're going down. Oh, get over here. Ugh. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's why I'm just kill. Oh, jeez, I just got spiked by myself. Oh, man. Oh! Okay, 1-1. Oh, jeez, will this be our first welding fan member who lost? Hopefully not. Let's see if he can do it. Ugh. Get out of here. Oh, jeez. No, I am not going down like that. I am not going down. I'm not going down like that. Oh, I almost lost. No, get over there! Dude, this might be the hardest fought ever. Get out of here! Woo! Yes! Oh! I thought he was gonna die, but Galaxy Wolfboy won as well. Alright, people, that's all. Almost all the Welding fan members have not lost yet. Just one Welding fan member left. Our last Welding fan member for right now is Green Falcon. Let's see if he can do it this time. If he can do it, then this is complete. All the Welding fan members have won except the Green Falcon. Alright, who is his opponent going to be for the last round? Who is it? Inkling. Okay, let's do it. Oh man, Green Falcon wants it. Oh, really? Oh jeez, he's gonna send rockets at me. No, I'm dodging all these rockets. Ow! Ow! Oh. Hang on, guys. Sorry, guys, about that. Had to do something real quick. But anyways, let's do this. Get out of here. Oh, Mario's mushroom. Perfect. Green Falcon's going gigantic, bro. Oh, take that. You want to boot right to your face, boy? Come on, get the smash ball, bro. There you go. There we go. There we go. Green Falcon hit it this time. Like Smasher XD did. Oh, man, Inkling is getting her butt kicked right now. Get over here, you. I'm not done with you yet. You're about to get... Well, oh, jeez, I'm about to get blown up by this ball. I'm not going to let that happen. Get over here. Get out of here. Oh, man. Green Falcon is winning the fight Too bad he doesn't have his Green Falcon wing. Oh, jeez. I just went over the top. Are you serious? Wow. Get over here. Oh. Oh, jeez. I am not going over the edge again. Okay. That's 2 lives gone. Are you serious? Get over. Oh, now we're tied. There we go. And I'll be taking that to regenerate my health. No. Get away from me, Inkling. You're not getting this health. That's from me, boy. Ah. Good night, Inkling. Oh, what? How did Inkling get that? Alright, well. She's not using that smash ball on me. No way. And, oh, I'm not gonna let her. Oh, I dodged it! Yeah, I dodged you, Inkling. I dodged you. Oh, okay. You want some of this? Come on. Come get some of this, will you? Oh my goodness, these stupid bees are so annoying. Get over here. Oh, jeez, I am going right over. Oh, jeez. And Inkling just killed herself. Okay. Get out of here. Ah. Oh, yes! Man, Green Falcon did it! Alright guys, all the Welding fan members did it. Now, I'll be right back guys before this video is over. Be right back. Alright guys, before this video ends, now that all the Welding fan members did it, we're going to see which one of them, of all of them, is the best fighter out of a triple threat matchup each. So first up, Smasher XD, Golden Wolf Boy 454 will battle in a triple threat match. And then, Running Yasher, Mighty, and Poison Gem, and then Galaxy Wolf Boy and Green Falcon will battle in a triple threat match as well. So here we go. First, Smasher XD. Golden Wolf Boy. And you know what? We'll go up to level 6 for this one. Oh, whoops. I did not mean to do that. My bad. There we go. Alright, level 6, and let's get him in here. Skull Rider. Okay. Let's do this! Who's gonna be the best out of these 3 Welding fan members? Smasher XD, Golden Wolf Boy, or Skull Rider? Let's do it! Ah! Ah! Oof. Ah! Oh! Oh! Man, Smasher XD is on a roll right now! Oh, what a kick by Skull Rider! Oh! I'm sorry, Golden Wolf Boy, but I have to do this. Oh, no, I'm not gonna be eliminated. No way, and oh, I'm not being eliminated. No, sir. Ugh. Wow! Oh, and now I'm in the water. I am the spirit of the water, anyway. And the shark. Okay, come on, guys. Oof! Oh, man, he used to drill up. No. I'm getting that extra point. Come on, before. What? Okay. Give me that. That's mine. Hey, stop playing that. We're not playing dodgeball. Give me that. That's mine. There we go. Come on, before they attack me. Come on. Get out of here. Come on, come on. Level up. Oh my goodness. Oh. We're fighting over this thing. Ow! Give me that! Give me that! Oh! This is not fair! Give it! Oh shoot. No, no. Oh my god. Haha! You didn't get the extra point, sucker! Come on! Ah, sorry guys, my bad. Okay, there we go. Ugh. Oh! Okay. That was pretty impressive by Skull Rider, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm not gonna let that stop me. I am gonna win this thing. Oh shoot, now getting the smash ball. Come on, I need to get that smash ball. Do not let Skull Rider get that smash ball. Come on. There we go. Okay. Just... Okay, never mind. That didn't work. Get out of here. Oh, Golden Wolf Boy is out. Now it's Skull Rider and Smasher XD. Alright, we're tied now. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, I just blocked that bomb. Oh shoot, he has a smash ball attack. I'm not gonna let him hit that on me. No way, and oh. Oh, you missed, sucker. Come get me, sucker! Oh, hey! Get out of here. Oh jeez, I'm not going in that lava. No, 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 no. You are going in the lava. Really? Okay. No, no, no. Get in there. No, 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 no. Oh, I got you, Skull Rider. Alright. Alright. And I win. Oh, nice stance. There we go. Smasher XD is the winner. Alright. Save this battle. Alright. Let's do this in the boxing ring this time. This time this level's going up to 9 for the rest of the matches. Alright. Running dasher. Mighty. And I did not unpause the video. I'm really sorry about that, guys. Ugh. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. I forgot to unpause the video, but please still like and subscribe. I made a mistake on that. I am so sorry. You know what, guys? My bad. I need to quit that match. I accidentally did not pause the video. We're gonna try this again, one more time. So let's try this again. Sorry, guys. I did not mean to do that. Alright, what I was saying before is this is the main event. Green Falcon versus Galaxy Wolf Boy. Let's do this. At level 9, let's do this. Let's do this thing. Oh, gee, okay. You want some of this? Oh, okay. Oh, wait, I killed him. Never mind. Oh, what? Okay. This guy's winning the fight. Get out of here. Oh my goodness, he got the medal. Are you kidding me? Oh. Come on. Hey, give me that smash ball. Get out of here. It's my smash ball. Oh, I caught him. Man, these guys are beating the heck out of each other right now. Oh, okay. Oh, shit, okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, no. I'm not letting you hit that gun on me. No way. Hey, oh, okay, he caught me. Man, he caught me good. 14 seconds left. Who is gonna win? Oh. Get out of here. Oh. 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 Oh, what a kick! Man, Galaxy Wolf Boy won! Oh yeah! Wow, that was awesome! Alright guys, well, that's gonna wrap up today's video. So if you guys enjoyed, definitely go ahead, smash that like button right now, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to subscribe to my buddy Golden Wolf Boy 454's channel, my friend's channel, The Welding Fam, if you haven't already. Yeah guys, you guys are awesome and the best. Thanks, Thunderman. No problem. Anyway guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, y'all. That's how XD does it. XD at.